Everyone, in last video, we were discussing about uniform circular motion examples. We will continue our discussion in detail. We know that hammer throw or disc throw in sports competition, the athletes, they will rotate their own body with this object, maybe this disc or maybe this spherical ball. They will hold in hand like this, or they will use some string or some rope to rotate that object. And that rotation, that circular motion they will do like this. Suppose this is the athlete, and like this circular motion or circular orbit they will create with that object. They will rotate their own body about, suppose, some particular axis, vertical axis, like this vertical axis. They will do the circular motion, and while doing the circular motion, exactly somewhere at some position, at particular, suppose this position, they will release that object or they will throw that object. And once that object is released or thrown, then that object will move in a straight path like this, and that straight path is actually tangential to the circular orbit, right? Or this is whatever the circle is, the circular motion they have made to that circle, that direction will be always tangential. So position may be this, maybe this, maybe this. Any position if you take, the direction of the motion will be always tangential to it. Mainly as once released in desired direction, hammer or disc move in the direction in which it was moving at the time it was released. Actually, these athletes know exactly at what position the object is supposed to release. They have practiced well, and they have done some calculations in their mind that in particular position, when they will release it, in which direction it will go and how long distance it can cover. So after doing practice and after understanding the position, particular position or desired position, in that particular position only they will release the object. They will release this ball or release this disc, and after releasing, the object will move in a straight path, and that straight path will be always tangential to this circle. Then the object moves along a straight line tangential to the circular path. So these are about the athletes, and simple, like in farms, farmer also, they will put some stone into this, and with use of this string they will do the circular motion, and that stone they will release at some particular position. Actually, these things they will do because birds will come into the farm and they will damage to the crops. To take away the birds from the farm, mainly the farmer is also actually doing the uniform circular motion. So a hammer throw, disc throw, or the action done by the farmer in the farms is are perfect examples of uniform circular motion. The most important thing here is the any position where the object is released, the at that particular time, the object will travel in a straight path, but that straight path will be always tangential to the circular orbit or tangential to the circle the object has made. Thank you.